of the coolest things about business, man. It's like, it's a sport just like anything else, except there's no barrier. There's no talent barrier when it comes to being successful in business. You know what I mean? Like, I had this conversation. Sorry,
there's a part of my book that my editor wanted me to remove. It's like business is a game where you pick your competition. You have a prize at the end of the tunnel. You get to pick what the prize is too. Like, is it $1 billion tech startup, or is it 30 grand a month of income from a business? For me, it was 30 grand a month. That was my number. That's all I needed to live a great life, put my kids in a good school, and order what I wanted to order when I was at a restaurant. So like 30 grand a month is the prize. Do I want to go play basketball against LeBron James or a fifth grade girl?
That's exactly the exact illustration that I was going to use. I'm a big basketball fan. And it's just like, man, you could work your ass off playing basketball your entire childhood, and you're never going to be LeBron James. It just isn't going to work. There's a certain level of innate talent that some of these professional athletes have. Like when you just sit courtside, or like you sit on the sidelines of an NFL game and just look at just the mass of people that are standing in front of you, you're like, oh, that's why they get paid as much money as they get paid to do this thing. You know what I mean? And then like the bummer part is that the tier directly below them are getting paid worse than like a sales guy at a software company or something like that. You know what I mean? Like
there's 12 white guys in the NBA under 6'4".
I don't like those odds, bro. I don't like those odds.
So I'm a white dude under 6'4".
Yeah.
So like, do I really want to play that game?
Right. Exactly. You better love basketball if that's the path that you're going to pursue.
What you end up being is like the assistant coach who never sees his family at some college who makes $38,000 a year.
Yep. You got injured playing overseas, trying to take another alternate path. It's like an entrepreneurship, man. It's a level playing field. The market decides whether or not you can hit that target. And if you can just go out and learn the necessary skill sets, there's no talent barrier. There's no IQ barrier. There's no like the commonalities between all the successful people that I talk to on the show, or just in life walking around. They're nothing that we can't install into our own programming if we just put in the work that's required. And that's what makes the game cool to me.
Yep. I 100% agree. All the wealthiest people I know, like the ones I see in my life who have the jet sitting in Athens and have the big ass house in Hilton Head and they're members at 7 country clubs, none of them raise venture capital.
Yeah. And a lot of them don't have MBAs.
Oh yeah. I know one of them who has his secretary print out his emails, and he writes the response on the email and leaves it on his desk, and then goes and plays golf while she uploads and writes his email. He hasn't logged into his AOL email address in 7 years, worth hundreds of millions of dollars.